welcome back. So let's see what's happening here. What is this person thinking about you right now? So okay, so we have the Chariot here. This person might be a Cancerian. Okay, so this person is feeling some kind of the feeling the situation should improve. Like they want to contact you very soon. Okay, that's the major message I'm getting here. Maybe this person was from your past. Okay, they have some kind of speculations here, and maybe Gemini. Okay, major Gemini I'm getting, and this person loves you very much, guys. Okay, there's a distance here, and this person wants to let you know they like you very much. And why is this person delaying? Okay, this fire signs here. Okay, maybe this person is a very very strong. Getting that very strong kind of a person here. Okay, and this person might be going through some kind of changes in their life also right now. Okay, that's one more message I'm getting. And yeah, okay. That's lovely. We have the Wheel of Fortune. So something is changing very soon. Okay. So we have that kind of, maybe this person wants to let you know that they've changed for you, or maybe before they were not like this. And because of you, they're trying to change themselves. Okay. I'm getting a major positive messages here, guys. So do claim this. And yes, we have, maybe because of that, you had already gone through some kind of difficulties I'm seeing. Okay. And yes, there is a lot of hopes that this will be getting better. Okay. You are hoping that this person will change, and yes, this person has changed for good, but that's up to you if you want to accept them or not. Okay, that's one more message I'm getting, because you are already hurt by this person very much. Okay, yes, there's communication coming. Okay, if at all you are waiting for some kind of communication here, yes, we do have a communication coming in for you. Okay, and that's lovely. We have got Ten of Pentacles, lovely. So we have some kind of family situation here. Maybe this person is someone from your family also. Okay, and this person might be thinking maybe of starting some kind of family also with you. Maybe this person wants to propose you. Okay, I'm getting a proposal here, or maybe this person has already proposed you, and wanted them to change. And yes, this person is changing for the good. Okay, that's lovely. Okay, but okay, you are finding it difficult to accept this person. Okay, I'm getting a message that yes, this person has changed, but you're not feeling good to accept them or something. Okay, maybe your past vibes, and lots of emotions between you both. Okay, yes, this person is also emotional about you, and you are also emotional about them, but you're not ready to accept them. Okay, that's a major message I'm getting. Maybe a major Sagittarius here. Okay, Temperance. You're kind of balancing the situation. Okay, you're kind of balancing, but you're still not ready to make this decision. Okay, one more message is you're not ready to make this decision I'm getting. Okay, and this person is also wants to balance things. So there's lots of mind games here. Okay, lots of this person is feeling that maybe like someone else is also fighting for you. Oh, okay. So there is someone else also interested in you. That's what this person is feeling right now. Okay. Lots of fire signs here. Okay. So lots of, I do feel, maybe you've already fought with this person before. Okay. For some. So they want to mend the ways. Okay. And, that's lovely, guys. We're getting two good cards here. So yes, this person like very firmly wants to be with you, but again, there is a blockages. Yeah. Okay, there's kind of blockages here. We're getting very beautiful cards here. So to claim this, okay, so might be a Libran here, major Libran I'm getting, and this person is very interested in you for sure, but they feel there's someone else also interested in you. Okay, this some third party energy also here. Okay, so there's one person also interested in you. Okay, and might be a major earth sign here. Okay, so yes, this person is thinking about you right now. Okay, I'm getting two energies here. Okay, maybe one is water sign and another earth sign. Okay, both of them are interested in you right now, and they're thinking very deeply about you. Okay, so it's your wish now. You have to make the choice. Okay, that's one more message I'm getting, and you are also confused what to do. So don't worry, everything will be all right. And yes, you're mending your ways. So okay, you're thinking deeply. Maybe you're not getting good sleep at night. Okay, that's one more message I'm getting here. But this person feels maybe this. I'm getting some kind of past person here. Okay, you're very interested in them, and there's one more new person also in your life right now. Okay, so you're kind of confused, and like you're also like deeply thinking what to do. Okay, so yes, the universe is telling you to make a choice, make the decision, and forgive. If at all you want to forgive someone, forgive them very soon. Okay, and yeah. That's your choice here, right? So make the choice, guys. Okay, so there's something you have to choose. Okay, so that's one more message I'm getting here. So choose the right one. okay, and you feel good to be with, okay, because one more message I'm getting is this person is waiting for you, okay. This I guess this past person is waiting for you. They want some kind of clarity in the situation right now, okay. Maybe something is unsaid or undone, okay. You have to like finish something here, okay. So maybe they're expecting some kind of closure also, okay. That's one more message I'm getting, okay. They feel you've moved on, okay. So for some they feel you've already moved on, but for some they're waiting for you. So just take it as it resonates, guys. Thank you so much. Lovely day. Good day.